Alright guys, we are ready to go. So this small tutorial will consist of 4 videos. First one, we build the app. Second one, we deploy it to the internet and connect it with Chatfuel. Third video, we are gonna make it look cool. Video number 4, we are going to add audio and charts to the app. So in this first video, you will have to know a little bit about the terminal, which we are going to use a lot. You have to have a text editor, for example Sublime Text, which is the one I'm using, and you need to install Ruby on Rails. And the way you install Ruby on Rails is you go to Google and you search for how to install Ruby on Rails, and if you have a Mac, you search for on Mac. And then there is a video right here that will explain you how to install it. It's not that intuitive. You will have to go through some command lines in the terminal, and if you don't like the video, you can find some guides down here. I'm not gonna cover that in this video. So this is where we are going to work for the most part. Our localhost, our browser. We will open the browser and go to localhost :3000. This is where we will see our app, like look at it before we put it online, and then we will deploy it to Heroku, which is a you can create a free account on Heroku.com and you can host up to 5 apps there, and then Chatfuel will send data to our app on Heroku. Of course, it will go from Messenger to Chatfuel onto our app, and then you can connect your own domain to your Heroku account. So that's basically what it is. And as a bonus, I have made 4 articles for this small tutorial. If you don't like to watch the video, you can just read it instead and just follow along here on my blog at digitalspartan.com. And there is a lot of copy paste. Okay, not a lot, but there are some copy paste code that you can just go here. If you're watching the video, you can just go to digitalspartan.com and find the code and just copy paste it. It will make it a lot more easy for you. So let's get started. Actually, I will need, and by the way, I'm terribly sorry about my blog. There's some hacker who keeps injecting my site with a spam link, and I have no idea how he is able to do it. So you might be redirected to some spam website when you visit my site for the first time. You just, if it happens for you, you just go back to Digital Spartan again and it will open. So here it is. Okay, I will just use my own articles as a reminder if I forget where we are. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the terminal and you will create a new app. And when you open terminal, the location of whatever you are doing here will be in your users folder right here. And I like to host all my apps in a folder I've created, which I call Rails. So to change directory into Rails, we will write cd for change directory Rails. Now, okay. Yep, I have no idea why it says no such file or directory, because we are already in it, of course. If I want to go back to this directory, just like that, cd space ... and back to Rails. Alright, so to create the new app, we will just type Rails new and then whatever name you want to call the app. I want to call my app backend. Then I'll build out